I want to tell you a story about like when I first work in United States. I started working with one Indian jewelry store, and there was one lady who supervised me. When I start work, I was learning so quickly, but that lady was little jealous with me. She doesn't want me to work there, so always she was trying to give me hard time. One day what happened, like she always trying to talk with me her language, in Indian language. So sometimes I understood, sometimes I didn't understand. So one day I finished my job. She said, "Can you stop? Don't go home." Okay, then I stopped, and then she said, "Can you get the rag? I need to clean something." I got the rag, and then I was standing with her, and she stopped. She didn't say nothing. After 5 minutes, she said, "Puso, your boss." I didn't understand what does mean by puso. I was thinking, and then again she said, "You don't want to listen, go and puso." And then I went with the rag, and my language puso means clean something. So I thought I need to clean something with my boss. And then I went to my boss room with the rag, and I was so confused, that's why I could not explain her what happened actually. And then she asked, "Why you come here?" And then I said, "Clean you." So she got mad. "What? You want to clean me?" And then she asked my supervisor, "What happened? Why she come here with the rag?" And then my supervisor, I don't know what they are saying in their language, but they said, "You know what? You are not able to work here because you don't understand the language. So I think you better you find another job." And then they fired me. After that, I understand what does mean by puso. Puso means like ask somebody. After that, I learned the language.
Okay.
That's it.